Good morning. Today's day in the life, we head to Kansas City and unbox some thrift books. First, I start off my day this morning recording some podcasts with Tori over at Oglesby, Ohana. We do a podcast together called The Fruitful Vine. I'll have the link linked in the description. All right, so I've got a couple of minutes and before we head out, and I have a ton of packages like from Book Outlet and Thriftbooks and Amazon for the new year. And it's bad. Let me show you. And so this is Amazon packages and Walmart packages and Book Outlet and all the things. And then this is my thrift books. So we're going to do thrift books today. We're going to get through everything, but we're going to do thrift books today. It's so bad. All right. So next year we're doing Heritage Mom Blogs, Heart and Soul units that she has. I'll have it linked in the description. And so I had to pick up some books to go along with that. And there's also books that I got just because I wanted them. And then there's also books that I got that goes with our history curriculum. So it's a ton of books. But if you want to see what we're doing specifically for read alouds for next year, I have a video just specifically going over our read aloud. So I'll link that up above. But anyways, so the first book that we got from Thriftbooks is Crossing Bachito. So I got that. And this is a picture book. A lot of these you're going to see are picture books. So I'm going to read from the back. So in the days before the Civil War, in the days before the Trail of Tears, Bachito was a boundary. On one side lived the Choctaw, a nation of Indian people. On the other side lived the plantation owners and their slaves. So if a slave escaped across Bachito, the slave was free. The slave owner could not follow. That was the law. So that's what it says on the back. A Bird in a Box. This book is about these three kids, and they, if you see the lines, they are watching the match of Joe Louis. And during that time, during all their trials, during that year, they become friends. Sorry, my dog is shaking. Next book I got is Stella by the Starlight. Or not the, Stella by Starlight. And that book is another one of our read alouds for next year. I got Martin Luther King. So I got this one, All Times, All People, A World History of Slavery. And so this goes through slavery throughout history, not just America. So next book I got is Ida B. Wells, Let the Truth Be Told. So Ida B. Wells was an activist, an educator, a writer, a journalist, a pioneering voice against the horror of lynching. And she used fierce determination and the power of a pen to educate the world about the unequal treatment of Blacks in the United States. So the other book I got was Rosa. It's about Rosa Parks. All right. Next book.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
are you done going into a meeting?
Yeah.
I saw the present.
Okay, go get dressed, baby. So I Too Am in America. Words by Langston Hughes. Next book I got is A Nation's Hope, the story of boxing legend Joe Louis. Next one is Heroes in Black History. These are specifically Christian heroes in Black history. And so this book we'll use as like a piggyback to see what biographies we can dive deeper into. Next book I got was Full-Time Parenting, A Guide to Family-Based Discipleship by Israel Wayne. I love Israel Wayne, and so this is one of his like first books. The Amazing Age of John Roy Lynch. He was one of the first African-American congressmen. And so this book goes through the like Reconstruction period. Only Passing Through, The Story of Sojourner Truth. Oh my goodness, there's so many books. Okay, Frederick's Journey, The Life of Frederick Douglass. Look at this, isn't that awesome? Look at these beautiful pictures. Sad. They're beautiful. Duke Ellington. So he was a forerunner in the evolution of jazz. Just pretty pictures, guys. So pretty. Just pretty. Next book, The Undefeated. Another picture book. Hold on. Let me get to a page that isn't just a plain white page. So lots of picture books for next year. Lots and lots of picture books. The Heart and Soul study, the Heart and Soul unit can really be used for younger kiddos. Okay, we got The Real McCoy. The Life of an African American Inventor. The other thing is, if you did her study, you don't have to buy all these books. Like, you could just get them from the library. But I just wanted them for our personal library. The Underground Railroad with like real pictures. So good. Almost good. 50 Cents and a Dream, young Booker T. Washington. With 50 cents in his pocket and a dream in his soul, Booker felt the magic welcome him in. Memphis Martin and the Mountaintop. The Sanitation Strike of 1968. Dave the Potter, Artist, Poet, Slave. So, that. So pretty. So pretty. All right. Hold on. Let me see if I can lift this up. Oh, that's my stack. All right. Time to get ready to leave the house. All right, so trying to get this Chunkers ready to go, and Chunkers, his clothes don't fit, so we are getting out his 6 to 9 month clothes as a 5-month-old baby. So grateful for this bin of clothes gifted to me by Katie over at Life in the Mundane. She's so sweet to us. She's had these clothes since her boys were babies. We expected it to be winter or like around fall when he would need this, and that's not the situation. So let's see if I can find something for summer weather. All right, we found this 9-month outfit. This is so cute. Oh, you're so cute.
I like what Shane's wearing.
You like what Shane's wearing?
But
9 months.
I like his style. He has a monkey. I like him.
All right, so we are on the road, on our way to, where are we going, Samaya?
Kansas City.
On our way to Kansas City. That's where my daughter's rheumatologist is. And so we're on our way there. Road trip. All right, we're in the parking garage. How was it, baby girl?
Great. Except for the neck thing.
Oh, she had to do some exercises and she couldn't lift up her neck for long periods of time. She started crying. But besides that, you had a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna go grab some food after the baby finishes nursing.
She looks like, now she's like,
You all done?
That's a lot of spit, baby. Let's stop that, please. Put your leg
All
down.
done? What about me? All right,
what
we
about you?
decided to stop at Jack in the Box for the first time. I'll tell you guys if I like it or not.
I'm gonna pause for a second, guys.
There's so much. It's the same place that sells tacos and burgers. What's going on? What do you think?
It's dry. It's so dry.
It's a fail. We're home. Thank God. Fun facts. I get really bad motion sickness in cars, especially when I'm trying to read and stuff. And I was trying to edit a video and I feel absolutely terrible. But anyways, we're home. Samaya got really great news at her appointment. Her physical, like her clinical assessment and her laboratory or lab assessment were so good that they are going to be decreasing her medication, which is such a good thing. So our hope is that we can get her into remission by this time next year. So God willing, that's the plan. But anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with us today. I hope this video was fun. Got to see a little vlog, a little day in our life. Say bye, everybody.
bye.
So thankful for you, baby.